Hello everyone, in the present video I am going to give you all an idea about the documents that students must keep on hand so that they won't miss any opportunity. I always believe and I always tell my students that they should not omit any opportunity due to lacking of documents and inappropriate documentation. My personal belief is physiotherapy students and physiotherapists needs to learn and acquire the skill of proper documentation for their professional career. Now the preceding documents should be kept on hand by the students. Why? The answer is to ensure a smooth transition to their future placement for the job related matter. The another one is for the higher education related goals for their PG, for their PhD or for the postdoctoral study, and as simple as for the scholarship related purpose. Now I always tell my students to keep 3 backup for the soft copy and 2 sets of backup for the hard copy. Now for the soft copy they can keep it their documents soft copy in the pen drive or a zip drive. The second backup can be kept in the laptop or the computer, and the third backup can be kept on a cloud platform like Google Drive. And 2 sets of hard copy should be ready and it should be kept at different places in their home. And this is required to be 100% assured that as and when required they can retrieve these documents immediately. Now what are the documents that they should keep ready? The first one is the covering letter along with the resume or the CV, and it should be the updated one, and they should mark here when they have the availability of the soft copy and the hard copy. If it is not available they should mark a crossed over here so that they will know that we need to get this copy ready. Another one is birth certificate along with the original plus true copy or the attested copy, caste certificate, school living certificate, original as well as true copy, 10th mark sheet and certificate, 12th mark sheet and certificate, original plus true copy, and many of the places they even ask for the standard 11th mark sheet, so it should also be kept ready. Then mark sheets and certificates of any diploma courses if it is done. So in my case I did diploma in nutrition and health education long back, so I should have the soft copy as well as hard copy of the mark sheet and the certificates related to that course so I can reproduce as and when required. BPT first, second, third and fourth year mark sheet along with the photostat copy, that should be the attested one, or the true copy should be available. The other documents needed is your internship completion certificate, again in the soft copy and hard copy form. And if you are in Gujarat and you want to practice physiotherapy, you need to get the Gujarat State Council of Physiotherapy registration done, and that registration number, that copy of that certificate should be available with you in the soft copy as well as hard copy form. IAP registration certificate, that is Indian Association of Physiotherapists registration certificate, it should be available. Professional experience certificate if you have worked somewhere previously. Passport size color photograph, that is the recent one, soft copy as well as hard copy should be available. Passport for the higher study and for the job in the abroad. PAN card, voter ID card, Aadhaar card and the driving license should be available with you. So for the job purpose your employer may ask and you should be in a position to reproduce. The other certificates that requires, it includes number of conferences attended and its certificates, both soft and hard copy, number of workshops attended and its certificates, number of camps attended, number of seminars, webinars, guest lectures attended, and any sports NSS or NCC certificate if you have represented your institute, if you have represented your university at district, national, international level, so you should keep it ready. You get many benefits also if you have represented your organization, and any extracurricular or co-curricular activity if you have done, so that certificate should be ready with you. So by this all you need to do, this will save your time and energy and it will avoid the mental clutters. And remember that proper documentation is a single source of truth that makes you smart. So thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you.